Have you ever thought about how your life could be completely different just because you decided to start now? Do you think you need a lot of money or have to be a finance genius to take the first step? I used to think that too. But let me tell you, starting to invest early is the key to reaching financial freedom way faster than you imagine. It doesn't matter if you only have $20 a month. What really makes a difference is having time on your side. And yes, anyone can start, even without knowing everything. If you're tired of thinking investing is just for adults or rich people, and you found yourself wondering, can I ever get out of this rat race? This video is for you. I'm going to show you practical examples and the things nobody told you about how taking the first step changes everything. Stick with me until the end and see how you can start building today the path to a lighter life, without giving up the things you enjoy and with the real feeling that, this time, change is truly in your hands. And here's what's cool. It doesn't matter if you know nothing about investing, if it seems complicated, or if you barely have any money left at the end of the month. Those thoughts are totally normal, and I'm here to prove they don't have to hold you back. When was the last time you didn't do something because you were afraid to mess up or felt you didn't know enough? I'm betting it's happened before, right? Investing is just the same. The longer you wait, the further away your financial freedom gets. So let's bust this myth that investing is only for rich people. Spoiler alert, it's not. Think about this. If you start investing just $20 a month at 18, by the time you're 40, that money can grow a lot, thanks to something called compound interest. I know the term sounds scary, but trust me, I'll explain it really easy. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and bigger without you having to put in a lot more money. Have you seen a snowball grow like that before? That's exactly how your money works when invested early. The earlier you start, the more time it has to grow. Now let me ask you, would you rather start reaping those benefits in 2 years or in 10? If you think $20 a month doesn't make a difference, hear this. Someone who starts investing at 28 will have to put in way more money to reach the same amount as someone who started at 18. Ever missed out on a good opportunity because you hesitated? That's what happens with investing. Each year you wait, you lose a chance to multiply your money faster. Just think about how many coffees, t-shirts, or snacks you buy each month. What if those small expenses turned into a growing savings instead? I know, sounds tough, but it's possible. Now imagine the life you could have if you start investing today. The freedom to do what you love without counting every penny at the end of the month. Being able to travel, invest in new skills, or even start your own business. It may seem far away, but it's not. The real difference between those who achieve this early and those who don't is simply one thing: starting. Picture yourself 5 years from now in a better place just because you took that first step. I want you to think about this. Would you rather keep doubting you can do it, or actually take action and change? Maybe you're thinking, but I don't know anything about investing, where do I start? Relax. Nobody's born knowing this stuff. The key is to keep it simple. You don't need to know all the financial terms right away. Ever tried putting together a puzzle? You start with one piece at a time. Investing works the same way. Start with the basics and learn as you go. If you're waiting to understand everything before starting, here's a secret: nobody knows it all. The difference is making a move with what you know and adjusting later. When was the last time you learned something new just by trying it instead of only reading about it? Tell me in the comments. Let's get real about taking that first step. Pick an amount you can comfortably put aside each month. Maybe $20, $30, whatever fits your budget. It's consistency that counts, not the amount. Here in the US, There are plenty of easy-to-use apps that help beginners invest safely, even with small amounts. Did you know some apps let you start with tiny sums and even teach you along the way? When was the last time an app made something easier for you? Pretty cool, right? Another key tip: it's smart to diversify where you put your money, but at the start, focus on building the habit. For example, investing in ETFs, funds that track the market, is a solid choice because they are simple, low cost, and lower risk. You might wonder, shouldn't I just pick individual stocks? The reality is, if you're a beginner, it's safer to start with basics and build your knowledge over time. Ever seen people get overwhelmed trying to learn everything at once? I sure have. Waiting around to understand everything before starting is the biggest enemy of your financial freedom. When was the last time you postponed something important because you wanted to be ready? Investing is the same. It's better to make mistakes and fix them later than never starting at all. And trust me, many people who get it now started completely clueless. Most of what you learn comes from doing, not just books or videos. When was the last time you learned more by doing than watching or listening? Just to be clear, this is not about making tons of money immediately, but about creating a habit that adds up over time. Think about it. $20 a month may seem small, but when multiplied over months and years, it turns into real choices. What would you do if you had money saved for tough times? Have you ever been in a pinch wishing you had a financial cushion? Here's a real-life example. I know young people in their early 20s who started small monthly investments and after a few years have enough money to travel, pay for expensive courses, or even start their own business. And the great part? It happened because they took the first step and kept going. Maybe you're about to be one of them. What dream would you chase if money wasn't a worry? You're probably wondering, can I really do this? Let me ask you, what's the cost of not trying? Staying in your comfort zone won't change anything. But taking a small action today could be the start of your financial transformation. Break that mental block telling you this isn't for me, it is for you. Do you think it's worth trying a path that could lead you exactly where you want? Don't let procrastination steal your future. How many times have you said, "I'll start tomorrow," and then never did? It's normal, but only you can change that. Every day you wait is a day your money isn't working for you. You don't need to rush, but you do need to start. How about making a commitment to yourself right now? How much could you realistically set aside monthly to jumpstart this? Here's a simple challenge. Write down in the comments how much you think you could start investing with. No pressure, just a commitment to yourself. I'll be responding and helping everyone who takes on this challenge. Let's turn those numbers into real action. Would this be a good motivator for you to stay on track? Remember, you're not alone. Everyone has doubts, fears, and moments they want to quit. But those who succeed are the ones who don't let those feelings stop them. Have you overcome a fear or challenge you once thought was impossible? That's right, you can do this. Investing is about those small but powerful choices you make every day. Think about this. As you start small and watch your money grow, your confidence and knowledge grow too, and you'll want to invest even more and better. Here's a tip. Whenever possible, increase your monthly investment. Even small raises speed up your progress. What would be a good monthly goal for you in 6 months? Picture that growth. Investing isn't just about money, it's also about peace of mind. Knowing you have cash set aside for emergencies, dreams, or unexpected events is priceless. Have you ever been in a situation where having saved money would have made all the difference? Don't think time or age is a barrier. Some people start investing at 40 and change their financial lives dramatically, but those who start early have a huge advantage: time and exponential growth power. Ever heard that time is an investor's best friend? It's true. The sooner you start, the better. If you're enjoying this content, just imagine what else is coming. On this channel, I bring simple tips, real examples, and easy strategies to help you master your money without all the stress. Tell me, what's the biggest obstacle you face when it comes to starting to invest? I want to help you get past it. To wrap up, remember, the secret isn't starting rich, but starting early and staying consistent. Your future depends on the small decisions you make today, that willingness to act even if you don't know everything. Today is the perfect day to take that first step and realize the most important part of your financial journey is in your hands. If this video made sense to you, you know what to do. Hit that like button to help more people find this content. Share it with that friend who always says they want to start investing but never does. And don't forget to comment below what your biggest challenge with investing is or how much you plan to start with each month. I'm eager to read your comments and help you along this journey. Subscribe to the channel to get more tips, stories, and strategies that will help you grow financially in the simplest, realest way possible. Change starts with you right now. Let's do this together. Relacionado.